Hi, I'm Jo, and in this video, I'd like to talk to you about the guided plan, part of our guided training on the site. If you go to the home page, click on guided training and then choose guided plan. The guided plan uses AI and examiner feedback to adapt to your needs. It takes results from practice that you have done, identifies any weak areas that you have, and assigns you work here to help to improve those areas. You can click here to start the work, or if you don't feel this activity is quite right for you, you can also skip the work. Once you've completed this activity or this set of activities, you can start a new set. Your work here will also be refreshed every week based upon the practice that you've been doing and the work and progress that you've been making.